don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo to TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Richards Bay 1, Kaizer Chiefs 0. I'm joined by 355. Johnny Zabatula.
Sibo. Mina ngisho into ezimnandi la. Ngisho into ezikhala kahle Brian. Bengiyokuthelela. Inkinga ukuthi awunakhaphu Brian. Awunakhaphu. Bengiyokuthelela Ntwana. Inkinga ukuthi awunakhaphu. Awunakhaphu leyo. Bengiyokuthelela.
I did. No cap.
My brother. Kaizer Chiefs. I'm disappointed, foot. I'm very disappointed in the Kaizer Chiefs. I was not expecting such a thing. So-called a big team in South Africa. So-called big team.
Yeah.
4 lose.
Yeah.
In a row. 4 lose in a row. 4 lose in a row. 4 lose in a row.
Imagine.
Bameleni.
Yeah.
Bamele ini. Bafuna ukuthi kwenzakaleni.
Yeah. From Uyin.
Amacoachara.
Yeah.
Management wenzani.
Yeah.
Mara, I feel sorry for our supporters of Kaizer Chiefs. But we understand the food with the country Kaizer Chiefs are not supporters. You remember the Mr. Bobby Salatin?
Yeah.
That is the family business.
Yeah.
Now it proves what is a family business. Because of they don't care about the fans.
Yes,
They don't
yes.
acknowledge the fans.
Yes.
How can you do such a thing? A team in Kuluganga,
I can't. Keep the coach.
Give the translator from a translator to being a translator to end up being a coach.
Yeah. And then you lose 4 in a row.
You can't call those people coaches.
Yeah.
It's like you promoting them so much.
Yeah.
What other boy lava?
No, but promote a team.
No, but still they don't belong to football.
Yeah.
Laba abantu kufanele ukuthi kube bakha amabhilidi.
In construction.
Yes, in construction. And they bengabi ngo-bricklayer.
Yeah.
Just bebe udaka boy.
Bakove.
Bakove. That's what is their profession.
Cedric.
Yeah, bo.
You say.
I'm surprised.
Yeah.
But I have a message to Kaizer Chiefs to Serino.
Yeah.
Serino, my guy.
Yeah.
Yeah. You are such a good player, a quality player.
Yes.
I don't understand ukuthi uhlalele Kaizer Chiefs, my brother. Ngicela ukuthi management waka Serino.
Yeah.
Agent Tempet.
Yeah.
You must run
Yeah.
and never look back.
Yeah.
You must run and never look back. My brother. Userino is a quality player, foot. A quality player.
Yeah.
Khona manje bona Kaizer Chiefs bamphundisa imbuzi.
Nice.
It's like nothing. And then this thing doesn't start with you, my brother. Let me tell you. They've been doing this to the great players.
Yes.
They had Billiard.
Yeah.
They have Chicken Dolly.
Yes.
They had Castro.
Yeah.
Where are they now?
They are done.
So each and every player that comes to Kaizer Chiefs, we play right.
Yeah.
You
die.
You die.
You die.
So Kaizer Chiefs is a career killer, my God.
Yeah.
I'm very disappointed.
Yeah. I can future.
Kaizer Chiefs. So I don't know, Serino, he's my guy. Run. I can see the potential in you. I know, like Serino is a top class player.
Yeah.
It's like a person who oversees that guy. Young Ton.
He's dying now.
But unfortunately,
He's dying.
age is catching up with him because of his 35 years old.
No. Mara, if you play your fair,
As a Chiefs fella, every team go for it. Everybody destroy, everybody release. So no,
We cannot.
don't give a bias towards Serino, man. Like that's the reality.
Pincham 5.
Yeah.
Pincham 1.
Yeah.
Usoki virus.
What about computer Marco?
Pincham 5.
Really injury prone. Injury prone from Pirates.
I didn't know.
I feature with Chiefs Bamusayna. He was an injury prone. He had to recover, then Atoboa. And then injury happened.
And then to see that Kaizer Chiefs doesn't have a future, my brother. Tell me, name one player that it's playing for their country. Like babuya World Cup,
Yeah.
babuya ku CAF in.
That one is topic for another day.
There is
Just to do, Bruce. Just to do little go.
so there is no player, even one player. Let's go says Valley AFCON.
Yeah, that is weird.
That afuna ukhiza she adlale ilizwi lakhe.
Yeah, Iva.
Akekho.
Iba.
Who's one player that
Even outside of South Africa.
outside of South Africa.
Miguel, by
Next.
No.
Next. So you can see what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
I'm just talking about South Africa. So
Not South Africa.
The first
Yeah. Tell me one.
Zodilep for DRC.
Did you call him?
I'm not so sure because
No.
DRC wasn't
No,
to go after.
they didn't call him, my brother. They didn't call him.
So
I Kaizer Chiefs, hey, my brother. So there's no fusion Kaizer Chiefs. That's what I'm trying to say. But they must do better, my brother. Mr. Bobby and Jessica, please, my brother. This guy was not like this.
Yes.
He was like, he was a first guy, this one. Mkhawa, even the Mkhawa, after Mkhawa. Uferile di outside, ke praya ka di man. Ufela ka di pilisi no ba fethu. Di heart attack di stroke di randira. Ah, lisela ka mkhongo fethu.
You are welcome to come and join the Yellow Nation.
I'm a Okosi fan till death do me apart. I that's the slogan, Siri. Because I'll pay more 11 piece, so I'll always remember. Next.
Nari
I can add boon. Also from one team or join another team.
like tabs.
Rizami.
Mama Joy, so
Yeah,
now you go see why I tell this to
My man of the match for today
Yeah.
is Richards Bay.
Yeah.
Yeah, the whole
The
team.
whole team.
Made it. I'm so proud of them.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
La one bane case 30 points.
Yeah.
Bayohlala khona lapho khona manje everybody omunye nomunye.
10 games to play. 12 more games to play.
No, sebayehla no.
Yeah.
Sabazi ngomangima.
Omunye nomunye uvela ku position yakhe khona manje.
Yeah.
So lava.
Meaning, according to win,
Yeah.
if I were to interpret you, according to win, or someone to win a league.
Oh.
So, meaning, was announced to win a league. So, the
I don't want to talk about. We are going to talk about Paris tomorrow because of now it's Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
So I am King. Congratulations to Richards Bay. Kaizer Chiefs, you can do better, my brother.
I'm gonna next year.